Hey friends, it's Natalia and welcome to She Makes 31. I am so excited to have you join me today. This is the first of many Christmas decorating videos to come. I started off with my master bedroom and I hung up these shelves on this wall in the nook here.
Thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now, don't know where.
I know I'm going to have so much fun decorating these shelves as the seasons change. So if this is your first time here, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I love to do videos like this. I love decorating for all the seasons. So make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Most, if not all, of the decor that you see on these shelves is some that I bought at the Target Bullseye section either last year or this year, and so it's really affordable. A lot of this stuff is like $5 and under, so it's a great way to be able to decorate on a budget. If you've been here before, you know that I love to buy books from the Dollar Tree to use as my decor. So of course I went on the hunt and got some red and green books so that I can use it as part of my display here. And I think my absolute favorite find this year from the Target Bullseye section are these little glass Mercury trees. This year I've been like super obsessed with all things Mercury glass. You will be seeing that throughout my home, but they are great. They're only $5 and they just light up and are so beautiful. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot and it helps to recommend my videos to you when you sign on. The sign that you see here, the "And to all a good night," is one that I made a few years back. I used my Cricut machine and a stencil with some paint. The green garland and the red berries that you saw in the picture are all some that I got at Joann's a couple years back. And this beautiful bell garland is one that I got at Walmart. They have it again this year and they also carry it in a gold color. Next, I'm moving on to the Christmas tree. This tree is one that I got at Walmart last year. It's a pre-lit flocked Christmas tree. I absolutely love it. And the base here, this tree collar that I got, is also from Walmart. I got it last year, but they have it again this year. Alright friends, now that the tree is already fluffed out, I wanted to show you the ornaments. I used these last year. It's a collection of ornaments that I got at Target, and I do have them again this year. I've always done the green. I love these colors together. But this year, I wanted to add little pops of like a wine red. So not like your typical Christmas red, but like a wine color. So I wanted to do that. So I bought those glass ornaments and then these picks from Walmart. Again, that like nice deep red. So I bought a few of those to add some pops of red. And then I got another little bullseye dog. He is so cute, from Target. I got last year's, and so I think I'm gonna start collecting them. but I thought he was so cute. He was only $5, and I think his name is Spot. Here are the rest of the ornaments. These were a DIY that I did a few years back, and I can link to that video. And so yeah, these are all from Walmart and Target from last year. Here's last year's little bullseye dog. So adorable. And this is this year's. So I did want to mention that because I'm only using just bits of red, only these two things really, I'm going to put these ornaments on first so that they're evenly spread out before I start adding my, majority of the green ornaments. I probably won't be using this whole entire box, but I do like a full tree. And then this topper I got this year at Target, only 10 bucks. So we'll see how that goes. Now there is a method to my madness. I kind of sort them out by colors, and I go one by one. There's obviously more green here than any other color, but I will start off with a color and just make sure that I put the same amount of each color in so that it's evenly distributed, if that makes any sense. I hope it does. Alright, so now that I got a pretty good even distribution going on here, I'm going to move on to the other ornaments that are not balls, because I don't just want to fill it up completely with the ball ornaments. So I'm going to fill those in, and then after that, if I have room, then I'll add in more of the ball ornaments. Next, I'm moving on to this DIY sign that I made. I got this sign on clearance at Hobby Lobby for only $10, and it was the perfect canvas for this sign. It's a North Pole bed and breakfast sign that I made. I designed it on my computer, and I uploaded it to Cricut Design Space, and I used some off-white vinyl to create it. And it's just so beautiful. I love it. It was harder to make because it was larger than the mat, so I split it up, but it turned out great and I'm obsessed. I love using my Cricut to make signs. It saves me so much money, and it gives me a custom sign that no one else has.
Baby, Mama. Hey. That's enough. And then just sit and watch her. Just see it's moving a little bit. What? Oh.
I wanted to make my room feel like a winter wonderland, and I thought the whole North Pole bed and breakfast theme was perfect. And so I'm just really happy with the way this sign turned out. It was kind of a pain to make sure everything was straight. I used my laser level and everything, but I got it done, and I just love it. Later on, I recruited my son Lucas to help me add this garland to my headboard. I love putting this on here. It just adds such a beautiful glow to the bedroom. The
same rule applies here. You have to fluff out the garland, make it nice and full, and I like to fill it up with a lot of lights. I washed the sheets earlier that day, and I had Lucas help me make the bed. You know, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a boy mom thing, but I wanted to make sure that he knew exactly how I like it done and how to fluff all your pillows and put pillowcases on. It was so much fun to be able to teach him these things that one day someone will appreciate.
When the bell on the door.
The red pillow covers are some that I got off of Amazon, and they are so nice. They're velvety smooth, and I also decided to add red to the foot of the bed with this blanket. Originally, and I'm still looking for a king size blanket to kind of drape it across the whole entire bed. So I just did the layered look with 2 blankets for now, and then I hung up the sign.
Yes, from this Christmas
The way that I like to clean my lampshades is with my vacuum cleaner. I just use the attachments, the hose attachment, and put on the little brush that goes on the attachment, and I just vacuum the dust off of my lampshades this way. It gets it, in my opinion, the cleanest that you can get them without using like any of those lint rollers or anything like that. I found this Oh Holy Night sign. It's with the sheet music to the hymn, and it's so beautiful, and it's just a great reminder of why we celebrate Christmas. I also wanted to show how I ended up hanging this sign. I used some command strips. You guys know I am a big fan of command strips, so this holds the sign nice and steady, and I can leave it there and take it off without damaging the wall.
and somehow we knew that we
To finish off the room, I vacuumed because that just gives everything a finished look. I love the look of vacuum lines on my carpet, and of course with all the decorations and all the glitter and everything, it definitely needed it.
Christmas on from this Christmas on. It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
All right, friends, sit back and enjoy the final reveal. Let me know what you think.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me.
And this is what it looks like at night. I just love being in here and just looking at all the pretty lights. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. I will have more videos for you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.